Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix Google Chrome browser error. So when you are opening any particular website on your browser, at that time guys, you are facing this type of error on your browser. As you can see in my screen, this web page is not available, error protocol error. Okay, so how to fix this irritating error? Now in this video we'll learn this guys. Okay, so when you are facing this type of error guys, just you need to reload your website 4 to 5 times continuously. Hopefully at the time your problem was solved, your website will be accessible. Okay, in case still you are facing same type of problem guys, now what you need to do, you need to check your internet connection. Okay, if the internet connection is not good, at that time you can also face this type of error. So another reason behind this error is this guys, if the website server was down from the server, so at that time you can also face this type of irritating error. Okay, so these are the main reason behind this error. You need to open your website on another browser on your PC. On that browser your website is working fine or not. In case your website is working fine on another browser, not working on your Google Chrome browser, so you can try these easy and simple solutions to fix the problem. Okay, so first you need to clear your browsing data of your browser. To clear it guys, click on three dots. Here you can get the option history, just open it. Okay, like this. From here you can easily able to clear the browsing data. So just you need to clear the caches, cookies, history, everything you need to clear. So just check all these boxes and just click on clear data. Okay, after doing this guys, just restart your Google Chrome browser as well as you need to restart your PC also. After restarting, now open the website, check your problem was solved or not. In case still you are facing same type of problem guys, now what you need to do, you need to update your browser. To update it guys, click on three dots once again, go to help, and here you can get the option about Google Chrome. Just click on it. From here you can easily able to update the Google Chrome browser. So if the app update is available, just you need to update it. Okay, after updating, once again open your website. Hopefully this time it will fix your problem 100%. Okay, still in case you are facing same type of problem guys, now what you need to do, you need to enable the incognito mode on your Google Chrome browser. After enabling incognito mode, just you need to open your website. Hopefully in the incognito mode guys, your website will work completely fine. Okay, still your website is not working fine on your incognito mode also, you need to try this last and final solution. Now you need to reset your Google Chrome browser. To reset guys, once again click on three dots, go to settings. In the settings, here in the left panel guys, you can get your reset and clean up option. Just click on it. From here you can easily able to reset the Google Chrome browser to their original default setting. Just click on it. Okay, after resetting, your problem will solve. So this is the final solution. So after resetting, your problem was not solving, so last and final solution is this guys, bonus solution. Just you need to uninstall the Google Chrome browser from your PC and install it once again. So this is the last solution to fix the problem. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.